All right, y'all. Finally got this GoPro working. This is your boy D-Lo. We got Gunner over here. We're gonna see if we can't catch some fish, man. Get it on video. On the chest piece there. Let's see what we can knock out. We usually catch plenty of fish down in here. We have the past couple of summers anyway, no spring. Working on it, it's been warm. I'm gonna work this Grub Customs hand painted crankbait around for a minute, see if we can't get a bite. It just rained the other day. It's up. Water's kind of cloudy. Hopefully I can entice a bite. Just making short little casts. Searching, see if we can't find one. This crankbait is like I said, Grubs Customs. Found him on Instagram. Kind of a brown crawl, orange belly color. It's got awesome hooks on it. It's got great prices. Y'all check him out. He's on Facebook also. Grubs Custom Baits. He's out of Oklahoma. It swam true right out of the gate when I hooked it up, so I didn't have to tune it or nothing. I don't know how the audio is on this. It's my first video. Got the back door open. Plus I'm right on top of it, so hopefully you can hear me pretty decent. See bait fish swimming around. What are you doing? Really? Where's your hat? Don't get it dirty. We got several little piles of boulders and smaller rocks all over this little creek area. You can see some over there sticking up, but they're everywhere. Right out here in front, there's something right about there on the bottom that is holding about 4 of my crankbaits I've lost in the past few weeks. I don't know what it is. Something washed up. We had them floods last summer. Something washed down in there. You see the ripples. You can see all the bait fish in here. were in here the other day and it was crowded. If you look at my Instagram, Rev Delo, got a quick little video on there. It was crowded down here. There's people everywhere. And they weren't biting crankbaits, they weren't biting chatterbaits. So I rigged up a big old 10-inch worm on a shaky head. Not a shaky head, a wobble head. And threw it out there. Got some good bites. Go back to this rock. So far I'm not getting anything on this crankbait. I may change up to my red crawl. And then maybe a chatterbait or something before I start putting worms on. I fish one rod and reel at a time. That's all I got. So I like to fish one bait as much as I can without having to retie a whole lot. This thing swims good. Was that a bottom or was that a bite? We'll find out. Bottom. Fish on. Ooh, he was coming at me. Lost him. No way. Come on. Ah. That's neat. Miss your first fish on camera. Dang it. Come on. Oh, that's heartbreaking. No way. I bet I edit that out. What is going on here? That hurts my feelings a little bit. I don't know what's happening here. Well, now that they done saw this and bit it a couple of times, I may have to change up. Yeah. That's a fish on this time. He ain't going nowhere. There we go. I feel better about the situation. He's gonna fight a little bit and I'm gonna let him. I'm gonna let him. It's a decent little fish. Not too bad. Oh. He was strong. Felt strong. There you go. Grubbs Custom Baits, man. Look at that. First fish. There. Wow. Look at that. Didn't hook hardly at all. Got him in the gill over here. You get what? Landon's down there, way down there. I don't know if you can see him that far away. He's down there on the side of a little waterfall over there. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There we go. Get a picture for the Instagram. I'm about to chunk my damn rod in the water. There we go, just like that. There we go. Feel better? Give me a fish on camera after a couple of misses. Little guy, not too bad. See you later. Shake your line. Might be alright. Let's get back out there and see if we can't do it again. Come on. Get his big brother or his mama.